Can I switch?
Hello, what's up? And welcome to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle. And today is the time for the video of Selfie Mondays, which we are doing, which is this thing that we are doing every Monday. And we are learning every Monday a different skill that will be really helpful for us. So, this is the 7th episode. We've done with 6th episode, and soon this series will come to an end. And I really hope this was as helpful as I thought and I worked it to be. I hope that it was equally helpful for you. So, without further ado, people, let's get the video started. Hey there. So, the skill that we're going to learn today is equally important to all the skills that we've learned till now. But maybe, just a little maybe, teeny tiny bitty maybe, this might be fun to do. You know, every day a fun thing to do, and not just, this doesn't require any just brainstorming, anything that you have to do with your mind, but कुछ चीज़ें जो तुम हर दिन करोगे which will actually help you develop your mind, freshen up your thoughts, maybe reset your thoughts, so that would be very helpful. What I'm talking about here is physical exercises. You know, as boring and as a big of a task as it may sound, physical exercise is actually really very important to keep your mental health in check. You know, it refreshes up your mind, and trust me, if you feel healthy, you'll feel good, you'll feel better, and this will consequently actually help you to do better in your life. So if you're doing every day some physical exercise, some kind of physical exercise, I'm pretty sure that it will help you. Why? Because let's just take for an example that you're running every day for 30 minutes. Early morning. Trust me, early morning. Don't do it in the middle of the day. It will better work for you if you're doing it early morning. So, because you know, early morning, it is a great idea to start your day with an adrenaline rush by increasing your heartbeat, by increasing your blood flow through your body, and that blood flow is the thing that will reset your thoughts. So that's why it's important. And now that we have discussed its importance and why do we really need that thing in our life, in our everyday life, not just SAE. So why do we need it? Have you discussed it yet? सब कुछ बता दिया मैंने आपको. Because you know, somewhere deep down everyone knows that it's important, but no one is, you know, actually willing to take that step to wake up every morning to do something good for themselves. So the thing is that if you're exercising every day, आप हर दिन exercise कर रहे हो, trust me, it will help you a lot. Because there was a time when you won't believe that how much kg I was, how heavy I was, how much I weighed. I weighed around 85-90 kgs, and there was this time when I could not take the pressure that was given to me by the society at that time, that I was super fat. So I lost all the weight. Now I'm around 65 or something, 65 or 66, and trust me, I feel way lot better than what I felt that time. You know, being physically fit somewhere boosts your confidence, and you won't feel it just on the first day. You'll feel it after a week of doing that thing. If you're running every day, you'll feel your body is changing. You'll feel that your mind has been giving you more positive thoughts lately. So that's what's gonna happen if you stay healthy, because if you stay healthy, your mind will you'll feel good about it. If you'll feel good about it, your mind will stay happy, and if your mind will stay happy, you'll work better. आप chronology समझिए ना इधर. So that's how it goes, you know. So now let's discuss some of the ways that I came up with, which I applied on myself, which I did myself too. So how you can, I know it takes a lot of power and a lot of energy in you to wake up every morning, go for a run, do some exercise, but it will get into habit eventually, because it did for mine. Now I'm waking almost every day, and why almost, that I'll tell you probably in the next video. So today, the first video, the first step, the first thing, the first change that you have to get into your mind is that कि Monday का wait नहीं करना है guys. Not everything, I know it feels really good if you're starting something new on Monday, but if somehow the chances are way low of starting that thing on Monday, if you want to start going to gym on Monday and आप किसी वजह से नहीं जा पाते हो, so that does not mean कि आप एक हफ्ते के लिए उस चीज़ को डिले कर दोगे. That's not how it works. If you get a chance to go on a Tuesday, start going on a Tuesday. If you get a chance to go on a Thursday, start going on a Thursday. There is no right or wrong time for starting something this good. Because if you're starting today, it won't be effective आज से ही. It will take some time to be effective. आपका mind refresh करने में it will take some time, and that time is minimum 2 weeks. So if you want to bring that amount of changes in your mind, in your thoughts, in your body, you'll have to do that thing. If you're running, if you're going to gym, if you're playing something, whatever, some physical exercise, just get up, get your ass off the bed and start doing something. And it will take minimum of 2 weeks to let that show some results on yourself. So yeah, there is no right or wrong time. If you have the chance, I'd say start today. Also, the second thing, if you're trying to work on a physical self, these are the certain changes that you have to get in your mental self, your mind. The second point that I'm gonna tell you is, think of procrastination as a bad habit. किसी चीज़ को डिले करना, उसको ये करना कि मैं बाद में कर लूँगा, start feeling guilty about it. When you start feeling guilty about that, आप अपने आप हर चीज़ खुद ही कर लोगे. Like I discussed in one of my videos previously, that patience. Start thinking of patience as a good skill that you have to have, a skill that you should be proud of. Similarly, if you're following that, similarly हमको procrastination को, delay करने को, बहाने देने को खुद को, we should think of it as a bad habit, as something really bad that we are doing to ourselves, to everyone around us, because procrastination is bullshit. Yeah, I've been through that phase. I've procrastinated for months and nothing happened. So procrastinate नहीं करना हमें. We have to not delay improving ourselves. हमको ये चीज़ डिले नहीं करनी guys. So ये एक बुरी आदत है. It's a bad habit and we should assume it just as it is. Procrastinate करने को proud मत हो. If you're not able to wake up in the morning, if you're snoozing your alarm every time it rings, don't be proud of it. Start feeling guilty about that shit that you're doing. Because if not today, if not tomorrow, if not day after tomorrow, you'll definitely feel guilty about snoozing that alarm months ago. Trust me. Okay, with that said, let's jump on to the third point. The third point I need you to, bring into practice, bring into your habit is the 2-day rule. Now, what is the 2-day rule? If somehow you're there are still chances, there is still some procrastination left in you, and maybe maybe if you're feeling lazy, if something happens, if you have to go to a sudden party, if a friend appears out of nowhere at your home, some unavoidable reasons, and if due to those unavoidable reasons you are unable to go for a run, for whatever exercises you were doing, you allow yourself that one day, only one day. This 2-day rule says you're not allowed to skip that thing that you want to get into your habit for more than 2 days. So if you want to get into the habit of working out every day, don't skip working out for more than 2 days. 2 days is max. मतलब 2 days भी नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be just 1 day. 2 दिन साथ में you can't take a holiday. No. If you're skipping, if you're delaying, if you're procrastinating, do it for 1 day, because gradually that 1 day will also go off from your schedule. There will come a time when you wouldn't want to procrastinate anything. So that was the third thing. These are the 3 main points that we've discussed today for waking up early, for working on yourself, for making you physically fit. And I hope I made the reason clear. Why do we need to be physically fit to achieve our goals? I'm not saying that you have to have those abs. I'm not saying that you have to have 0 size figure. No. All I'm saying is just keep your mind fresh. Just stay healthy. You don't have to tabiyat mat kharab karo jaldi. And how would that happen if you're eating healthy, if you're doing healthy things, you're not into junk food or shit, and if you're working out a little? Just 30 minutes. That's all I'm asking of you. Just 30 minutes every day. 30 minutes. Take out 30 minutes for yourself. Not for me, not for anyone. For yourself. Work out 30 minutes. And you'll feel good. So with that said, I leave you with a thought for today's video. Not really a thought actually, but I'd say that now that we are working on ourselves, I've told everything. I've told most of the things that you need to work on yourself mentally, but this was the first time I asked of you something physically. Why you need to keep yourself physically fit in order to achieve your goals. And trust me, that does not mean that physical fitness is not that important as mental health, because physical fitness, directly impacts your mental health. So that's kind of equally important. Think about that and you'll realize it, how much you need it. So with that said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Also, I'm really sorry that I am not able to upload a second video. I was not able to upload a second video last week because I'm working on a project and I really hope it comes out good. It will be online, I don't know, not really, but as soon as I'm done with it, because it's a really special project for me. So also I hope that you also like it. आपको भी पसंद आए वो चीज़. So I'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Ta-da!